Hi, today I'm going to talk about a topic which always people ask me. When people hear my talk, they say that how to invest in stock market, and they ask for a lot of tips which company is good to invest at this point of time. Saying direct company names, it's not that easy. That's not my job also. But I want to give you certain ideas, and if you think that that idea is kind of matching your risk appetite and your way of investing, you can think in that angle. And if you think in that angle, you will be able to get the companies which is most favorable to you. So the first thing is that now Diwali is over, and during the Diwali, it's we Indians have this culture to invest in stock market, and especially during the Diwali time, lot of people comes up with a lot of tips, and lot of people search for a lot of tips and invest. But investing on others' tips, I do not recommend. You need to have a clear understanding that what is that company, and are you understanding that business. If that business is something which you like, then only invest. Do not go with any other random tips come from people, or always take the help of an expert. You tell that this is my ability to take this is my ability to invest on a periodical basis or a lump sum basis. On this, you tell me that what are the stocks I can invest. So based on that professional help, you invest. That is also another method. So today, let us get straight into our few points which I like to set as an idea to invest in stock market. In this, I will be talking about example companies, but do not take this as a tip. You just think about it and you find the companies and invest. The first one, now the situation is that pandemic is going on. Our economy is in a trouble. We all know that stock market is going up, but in reality, in the market, the trade is not really happening. The real profit for each business is really dipping, and there are companies are making profit. In this situation, also there are companies are making profit. But if you look at the listed company space, we know that which are the companies we are making, but we can see that other companies also price is shooting up. So let us move all those things aside. So country is in a tough situation. Anyway, country is going to come back, and we know that our country is aspiring to become 5 trillion economy. So if that kind of growth has to happen, forget about 5 trillion. If it become 3 trillion or 4 trillion, in that case, the business has to flourish. To flourish the business, banking system has to flourish. Bank has to support the industries to develop their their business, and develop our country's economy. So banking is definitely a place where we need to watch out. So in our banking system, which is the biggest bank, and which bank has government support? If you take the example of State Bank of India or any private banks, which is a private bank which is playing a bigger role, those banks has to perform well. Then only our economy is going to go up. So pick up the companies which is making profit, which has a large presence, and they are going to be the winner. So if you take shares of those companies on a regular basis, periodical basis, we are going to make money. That is may not happen overnight, but stock investment always think that 5 to 7 years within those period we are going to make money. So whatever your periodical money you can set aside and start investing in these kind of companies. The first idea, like, look at the banks. If the country has to go up, bank also has to. And there are a lot of public companies which is in the verge of going for privatization. Those companies are cash rich, and those companies are very relevant for our economy. So these companies has to develop, and once this privatized, there is a huge possibility that the professional management will come, and these companies is going to flourish. So look at and these companies will have a government share also. So what happens? So in that case, government need money. So yearly dividend is going to come from these companies. This dividends mostly will be better than the rental yield you get from your real estate investment. I'm not talking for all the companies, but if you able to find out the companies with 10 years of track record of giving dividend on a regular basis and cash rich companies, you can invest. You need to study that and invest. And now, pandemic situation, pharma companies are going up because we are expecting that these pharma companies will find the medicine for pandemic, and this company is going to shoot up. And the medical requirement is shooting up, and these companies are going to do well. If you can find out one company which is having a good prospect among all the pharma companies, and you can start invest. And even if for pandemic, COVID medicine is not discovered by Indian companies, whatever it is, if medicine comes, this medicine has to reach to across India. For that, logistical companies with the cold storage has to flourish, because these companies are the one who is going to supply all this medicine to all the parts of India. And in India now, all companies are transporting things from one place to another. So for that, logistical companies has to flourish. You can look at the companies which is cash rich and they are a logistic company. They have to flourish. That is another idea. Then now if you look at all this entertainment business are stopped. Nothing is happening. You can take up any cinema companies. You can take up any theme park companies. These are the companies. Now everything stopped. But you look at those companies which have a lot of cash reserve. Those cash reserve companies, they can survive this period. And once the market open up, they can start very fast and they can take that competitive advantage. You can look at those companies and start invest. Look at companies like a Wonderla kind of companies. I'm not recommending this company, but look at it, how much cash they have. And once this pandemic situation is over, what is the advantage they have compared to other companies? And how much cash they can generate from the business. If you look at these angles, I have just taken few industries and few ideas. If you think in those angles, you will be able to find the companies and you can start invest. If you have this time, start thinking this angle and find out the companies. Before investing in those companies, identify that what is the cash they have, who is the management. Who is the management is very important question. What is the track record? Based on that, invest. If you invest in good companies, profit-making companies, one day market will pick up those companies and reward those companies. And you can look at the companies who are paying high dividend. Those companies start accumulating shares. At the time of your retirement, make sure that at least 1 lakh or 2 lakh number of shares in your pocket. Based on the dividend they declare, you will be able to get decent money on a yearly basis as a passive income. That's enough for your retirement. So these are the ways you can participate in the stock market. If you are a new entrant to the market, this is one way you can look at to select the shares. I hope this video is helpful. If you have questions related to these, if you have questions related to mutual fund, if you have questions related to stocks, you can comment below or contact us in the number given or write to us in email. Happy to help. Thank you. We'll see you again in the next episode.